The Meteorological, Climatological, and Geophysical Agency in Bandung has issued a warning to the public about the potential for moderate to heavy rainfall, with some areas experiencing extreme weather conditions during the current rainy season.
As of November, the rainy season has officially begun in the Bandung region, bringing with it a shift in weather patterns. BMKG Bandung has noted that the intensity of rainfall has been increasing, with moderate to heavy showers occurring across various areas. In some places, these showers are accompanied by strong winds, resulting in fallen trees and power disruptions. BMKG Bandung's latest data confirms that the region is now in the peak of its rainy season, which typically spans from November through March. During this time, the transition between seasons is expected to bring extreme weather conditions, including heavy rainfall, strong winds, and thunderstorms. The agency also emphasized the danger of hydrometeorological disasters, such as flooding and landslides, which can occur as a result of sudden heavy rain. BMKG has warned that these incidents are more likely to happen in areas with steep terrain, near rivers, or in locations with large trees, which can pose additional risks during storms. In an interview, Muhammad Id Mujahidin, a forecaster from BMKG Bandung, urged residents to remain cautious, especially those living in flood-prone areas or along river banks. He also advised the public to be aware of the risk posed by falling trees and other hazards during storms.
Pada bulan November, prediksi peningkatan curah hujan dan dalam periode rentang periode musim hujan di Oktober hingga dengan kurang lebih bulan Maret nanti, Maret-April, ini yang paling banyak dominan puncaknya dari bulan November, dan mengantisipasi dengan perubahan cuaca seperti ini dengan adanya potensi peningkatan curah hujan pada bulan November yang biasa umum terjadi bencana hidrometeorologi pada saat musim hujan, yaitu adalah banjir bandang, ataupun tanah longsor, ataupun hal lain seperti potensi hujan yang terjadi bisa disertai kilat atau petir dan angin kencang. Ini yang biasa terkait dengan angin kencang ini adalah potensi pohon tumbang ataupun objek tertentu yang memang mudah roboh dengan adanya kondisi angin kencang, ataupun bisa juga berpotensi pada kondisi angin puting beliung ya. Nah, ini bisa diharapkan mengantisipasi kalau ada pohon yang memang berada di fasilitas umum untuk dilakukan perampingan atau diantisipasi, yang memang udah rapuh atau lapuk bisa ditebang. Kemudian antisipasi lain dalam hal bencana hidrometeorologi menghadapi banjir, yang memang tantangan cuaca saat ini adalah hujannya diturunkan relatif lebih intensitasnya tinggi, tapi bisa saja durasinya singkat. Ini yang memang tantangan menghadapi cuaca dan iklim, sehingga saluran air yang sudah tidak optimal sebaiknya dioptimalkan kembali, dilakukan pengerukan dari sedimen ataupun sampah.
While the heavy rainfall during this season is expected to be brief, its intensity and unpredictability may still result in significant impacts, such as flooding and property damage. BMKG Bandung continues to monitor the situation closely and will issue further updates as needed.